Hey, hi, welcome guys. Welcome back to our channel, which is Fibron. And in this video, I am going to show you how to create a Maven project that we had seen in my earlier video. And now I am going to show you how to create your pom.xml file and what is the dependency management tool. In my last video, I said you Maven project is nothing but it's a dependency management tool, right? So what is you mean by the dependencies management tool? Why I am saying Maven is the dependencies management tool, right? So that we are going to see in this video. Another thing, I'll show you how to integrate a sample get request with the help of Java, right? That also we will see. And before going to be start, let me share my screen. And also I'm going to request again, guys, we are making a lot of effort to create this kind of videos, so that please, I'm going to give you one request. Please do subscribe our channel so that you will never miss our update. Thank you. So let me share my screen. So hope you are able to understand. I hope you are able to see my screen. So this is the POM XML which has been created automatically. Okay. So before going to start with the Maven project, I would like to show you something. Guys. Just go to Google Chrome and search for something. 1 minute. Search for say Maven repository. Maven repository. Go search for Maven repository. Here you will get this mavenrepository.com. This is the link I'll provide over the description. No worries. And in order to work with the REST Azure and any kind of framework, if it is a Maven, if it is belonging to the Maven project or any kind of plugins, you can say. So those things you will get to know from this Maven repository. Let's suppose right now we are going to work with the REST Azure, right? So we can search for REST Azure from here. You can search. Okay, so you will get, there is so many vendors which are going to provide the REST Azure, right? So which you should pick. Okay, so based on the number of uses, you can say here this REST Azure plugin or dependencies are going to be used by the 1066 users. This is going to be used by the 499 user. So which is better? This one. Again, I am saying this is the official, icon of the REST Azure. So always go with this. Okay, don't select another vendor because there is just so many bugs are there. Okay, so don't jump that. Again, there is just so many versions are there. Okay, so what is the version? I'll let you know what is the version. If you are able to know about the Facebook, earlier Facebook was looking like something, but now a Facebook, how it look like, right? It's a completely different. It become a completely different. All credit goes to the Jan LeCun. Okay, well, who is the Jan LeCun? Just search with the Wikipedia. Okay, who made completely different that Facebook. So similarly, that a different version are coming in the Facebook. So I'm not interested to know you these things. But yes, if you have interest who is Jan LeCun, then please get back to me. I'll help you out. So here again, there is a different versions are there which you should pick. That is again challenging task. So here also you can see this is the different parameter of uses, number of uses. Based on the uses, I can say this version are very stable. So you can select this. And okay, if you are working with if you are working with the Maven, then this is fine. This you can copy. And if you are working with the Gradle, then you can select the Gradle, SBT, IVY. There is a different kind of projects are there, right? So right now we are working with the Maven project. And again, if you are working with the Java also, so there is an option to get a jar file. I'll show you from where you will get the jar file. Okay, so here is the option to get a jar file. Okay, yeah, so there is an option to get a jar file. You can download this jar file if you are working with the Java project. But yes, I'm saying don't go with the Java file. There is just so many issues you will face. So just go with this. So just copy this dependency and paste it somewhere. Paste it. Here you have to create one dependency stack. Under the dependency stack, what you can do, you can create one. You can paste. Okay, you can paste this. Okay, once I'm pasting this, so what is going to be happen? Just try to understand. Once I'm pasting this, and let me show you something. Just see my right down corner of my this window, Eclipse window. So once you keep this, and if I'm going to save this file, Control+S, what is going to be happen? Just try to understand. So you can see here one thing is going to be start. it is going to download all those things automatically. Okay, and in later on, let's suppose this version is not going to support much more. If this version of REST Azure is not going to give you know, all those things, all the benefit, and also in the newer version something new thing incorporated by the REST Azure, then what you have to do, you no need to change your code, right? You no need to change complete code, you just change your version here. You can just change your version and automatically it will pick the updated version of REST Azure and it will install in your project. So this is known as the dependencies management tool. Okay, why the Maven is known as the dependencies management tool? Hope you understood, because all the dependencies, all the management of the project is going to be happen with the dependencies, right? So that's what it is known as the dependencies management tool. Okay, so right now we need REST Azure, no doubt. Okay, just to give me a moment, guys. We need dependency, and from where you will get this dependency, I showed you, right? From where you will get this dependency, you can go to the mavenrepository.com website, and there whatever dependencies you need. So let's suppose you need you know, 1 minute, let's suppose you need this TestNG. Okay, so just search for TestNG, just search for TestNG. Okay, so you will get all those things. TestNG, which one you should pick, again, which having the more number of users, that only you can pick. There is a no hard and fast rule, guys, again. So again here, which you have to select. So here you can see 1338 is number of users more. So I am going to select this. You can copy this and paste it in your pom.xml and save it, Control S. It is going to be downloaded. It's a very easy, guys, very easy. Okay, so no hard and fast rule here, no hard and fast. Okay, so there is just so many dependencies we need right now. Okay, there is just so many dependencies we need. Let me show you all those things. Let me elaborate all those things. Just a minute, guys, I would like to share my whiteboard. So hope you are able to see my whiteboard. So what are the things we need? First thing, we need REST Azure, that we had seen, REST Azure. Next thing is what? TestNG. TestNG we need. Okay, TestNG we need, right? And just a minute, guys, just a minute. TestNG we need, and then we need okay, we need JSON sample. We need JSON sample also. JSON, sorry, what is going to be happen? JSON, it is not going to write here. Oh shit, wait a minute, guys, something got happened. We need REST Azure, sorry, it got something issue here. We need REST Azure, we need TestNG, we need JSON validator, we need extent report, right? If you want to create extent report, and what they need extra, we need Apache POI to read the data from the Excel sheet, right? So these are the main dependencies. There are so many dependencies, guys, again I'm saying, but these are the main dependencies which we are going to use it up, right? So that dependency you should know. Okay, cool, no worries. So what we can do, let me do all those things one by one. So hope you can able to see my screen, right? So what we can do, I'm going to copy paste all those things one by one. So basically we need 1 minute, we need this one. First we need REST Azure we need. So we had kept all those things, so I copied the REST Azure. Okay, fine. So dependency we copied, REST Azure. Next what we need, next let me copy from my existing project, because that version is very stable here. So that's what I would like to use always, that only. Next we need JUnit. So let me copy all those things, dependencies. So again, dependencies wise, you will get to know all those things. You will get to know all those things very soon. I'll put all those things in my GitHub. You can download from there. So always we should use that dependencies only, so you will not face that kind of issues here. So now it is fine. Yes, cool, no worries. The JUnit we need. Next what we need, next we need TestNG, right? So let me copy that TestNG also. So TestNG is done. Next we need JSON sample, right? So because we have to pass, again, why we are going to use these things, why we are not using that things, we will see. Right now you just copy all those things, just copy all the dependencies. Okay, I'll show you what are the use of that. So what we can do, I'm going to copy all those things one by one. So hope you can able to see my screen, right? So what we can do, I'm going to copy all those things one by one. So basically we need JSON sample, right? So because we have to pass, again, why we are going to use these things, we will see. Right now you just copy all those things, just copy all the dependencies. all those dependencies we will see in future class. Just copy all the dependencies here, that will be helpful for you. And from where we are getting all those things, that is one thing, right? Just click on search for extent report in the Chrome. Just let me show you how to get these dependencies also. Just go to your Chrome and search here. I showed you, right, from where you will get to know. So extent report, if you want to take extent report dependencies, just search here. You will get all the dependencies, right? So there is no hard and fast rule. There no need to remember anything at all, even though I also not remember. Okay, I'm also not remembering, guys, right? Okay, error is due to this project build error, no parser pom. Okay. Mm, just a minute, what happened? So you can see I just keep all those dependencies here. We need this kind of dependencies. Again, there is just so some dependencies are not a valid. Okay, so you can remove that also. But yes, I just copied with my existing project. Okay, so that's what it came. You can remove that also. So Control S, and once you are doing Control, it will automatically start downloading for sure. And if you want to check where it is going to be stored, so there is a dependencies folder is there. If you can see, all those dependencies got downloaded automatically, guys, automatically, right? So yes, that's all. Means in this way you can update your POM XML. Now, as I told you, tester had to work in this folder, test src test.java. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new package. Like package name, you can give anything, testing. I'm going to give the testing package name only. And inside of testing package name, what you can do, in this testing package, you can create a new class. Okay, so again, what is class, what is object? My area of interest is not to know these things. If you have any doubt about this, what is class, what is object, I'll create a separate video on the Java, right? So sample get request. So once you do this, it will create a sample get request, no doubt at all, right? Hope you understood up to this. In the next video, I will show you how to create a sample get request. How to just now in the last video I showed you with the Postman. Now in the next video, I'll show you how to create this sample get request with the help of the Java code, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, then please do subscribe our channel so that you will never miss our update.